August 2nd today, second day of World Breastfeeding Awareness Week. The second common problem mother undergo during breastfeeding is upper back pain. The reason for upper back pain are two things. One is when the neck muscles, shoulder muscles and upper limb muscles are weak, we develop pain. And second thing is abnormal posture during breastfeeding causes upper back pain. How to correct this? First, for muscle weakness, start doing your muscle strengthening exercises. Neck muscle strengthening, shoulder strengthening and upper limb strengthening exercises after 12 weeks of pregnancy. Though this has to be continued throughout, even after delivery. So, by improving the muscle strength, we can prevent upper back pain and shoulder pain during breastfeeding. Second is posture. Learn the correct posture, how to keep your posture throughout breastfeeding. So, learning a correct posture, improving your muscle strength will give a happy postpartum period and pain-free breastfeeding experience.